Hi, welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're making an organic matcha mint toner. Okay, to make your organic matcha mint toner, you're going to need a few ingredients, so let's get started. You'll need USDA Certified Organic Matcha Powder, which is fabulous, by the way. I can't wait to tell you more about that. And you'll need USDA Certified Organic Peppermint Toner. You'll also need a stovetop or a hot plate, and a sieve, and a coffee filter. So you're going to measure out your peppermint toner. So the recipe that is shown at the bottom of this video is for a full gallon of peppermint toner. So I've scaled this down and made it smaller just for demonstration purposes so you can see how to make this at home. So first thing you're going to want to do is heat up your toner. You want to be very careful not to overheat. Matcha tea is brewed at a lower temperature than other teas, so we want to keep that in mind when we're making our toner. So you don't want to go above 180 degrees. So I guess you'll also need some way to measure the temperature. 180 degrees, if you don't have a way to measure the temperature, is pretty much just below boiling. So when you start to see those bubbles start to form at the bottom of your container, that's probably pretty close to 180 degrees. So we'll add our matcha powder now, heat this to 180 degrees, and then we'll strain it. So we're just going to dump that right in there. And mix it in. And it's a lovely green, just like the peppermint toner. Make sure it gets all dissolved. Okay, and we'll just let that heat up. Okay, so now we've heated up our matcha toner tea, basically, and now we're going to go ahead and strain it. So the straining portion, that's optional. I like to strain it because I don't want the matcha residue in my toner. However, it's perfectly fine to leave it there, but you're going to want to make sure that you challenge test your final product if you're going to sell it in the market. Make sure the preservative is working properly. Okay, so to strain it, if you choose to do so, you simply take your sieve and your coffee filter, and we'll put this in the center so you can see a little better, and you simply pour it through. Okay, so when you're finished, you'll have a beautiful, green, natural-looking toner that's a superfood for your face. It's fabulous, beautiful stuff. Read our blog about matcha powder and where it comes from. And please subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Thanks for joining us today. You can find a description and a recipe by clicking the More button directly under the video.